Allow me to stand on the well-established protocol. However, I want to recognize and appreciate the presence of our governor here, because for those of us who live with him in Lagos, we know how busy and how crazy things can get in Lagos. So thank you for finding time to come. I will not thank Alausa. Alausa is one of you. So he's just representing you in Nigeria. So he's doing his job by being here to show support. And well, I was never officially a member. So I'm a member of Eko Club in Nigeria. But I must also recognize our Egbo and leader in the person of Bashorun J.K. Randu. You see, some of us, when we were growing up, it was a source of inspiration and a role model of what being a good Lagosian should be. I thank you for all you have done for Lagos and all that you will continue to do. Thank you very much, sir. And permit me to, first of all, also congratulate you as you celebrate 25 years anniversary. It's not a joke to come in the last 25 years every year and days in between to struggle to bring an association or a platform to the level to which you have brought it. And I have also been part of it from the beginning because I know the history of what led to the formation of Eko Club International. And that goal, to a reasonable extent, has been met. So congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. And I must also add that there are names that in the last 10, 15 years have been synonymous with Eko Club, the likes of T.J. Abbas, T.J. O.J. Lawal, and a host too numerous to mention. I salute all of you, and I give you kudos for what you have done. You see, my brother said one thing, was one of the things that the two of us were talking about here. There's a Yoruba saying, ẹ̀sìn téèyàn bá ń ṣe tí ò bá fi lọ́mọ lọ́wọ́, ẹ̀sìn yẹn máa parun ni. So this is a challenge that will test your strength and character as a body. I look around, I see aging population. No, I am being honest. I'm not saying no. The younger elements in the hall are not as much as it should be or it can be. We can have a hall filled with younger generation. I want you to take up this challenge and deliver on it. And how can I stand there and conclude without urging you to continue to support the great state of Lagos? Let us find a way. You have done well. You have done so many things. That started with allowing Alausa, when I was a commissioner. I can recall Alausa leading a team, bringing so many equipment for LASU at that infancy stage. And that you have done so many. But that we must continue and also pass it to the next generation. Let us together make Lagos a shining example of what is possible, not only in Nigeria, but in Africa. Finally, there is a saying, I want to accredit it to our former vice principal when I was in secondary school. Whenever we are approaching examination, the day the exam will start, we will come to the hall. When we are assembled there, after all the songs and whatever, I will say, I pray those who fail, and those who pass, should pass. I wish you a successful election tomorrow. Blessings.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.